Your favorite athletes got them, your favorite rappers got them, your favorite actors got them, so you already know it's Forgiato. So let's go ahead and unbox that wheel. So over here we got the 26x10 Forgiato Biaforca. This is part of their Monoleggera series, meaning it's a monoblock forged wheel. This wheel is made in California, shout out Los Angeles. This is a true American-made wheel, none of that China forged. This is one of the most premium wheel brands out there. For those of you not familiar with Forgiato, shout out to my family at Forgiato. You already know we had to do it big on this car. We did this wheel in a brush finish. We did it with the smaller billet style center cap. We wanted to switch it up and we didn't want to go with the XL style cap that we've been typically doing on the Cadillac Escalades. Also, we decided to go with a wheel that hasn't been done before in the Cadillac Escalade, and I think this was the right choice. This is bringing that South flavor out here to Toronto, so it's like bringing the 305 to the 416.